Let's see if we get some decent photos of them, see how this thing works. Okay, we're out here. It's the early evening. I have this new Apex XL 100 times zoom. It's a zoomable 100 time macro lens here on my cell phone, which I always find a little interesting to get it lined up. Which of the 5 cameras on the front of this phone is the right one to use? I don't know. I'm gonna have to figure that out. A couple things I will tell you. Number one, it was provided to do this review. Number two, it does cover up some of the buttons on the side of my personal camera, but it doesn't press them. So far that hasn't been an issue. But behind me here is my butterfly garden. Butterflies have left for the day, but there are caterpillars there, which I think we might get some cool light. Let's see if we get some decent photos of them, see how this thing works, and then I'll come back, I'll let you know. So I thought I'd show you real quick how this seems to work for me. So there's the caterpillar, right? We're looking, you can see him there. I have to get this camera like so close in order to get him in focus. But obviously, look at that, it is pretty damn cool. Let me hit the button, look at that. I'm gonna say this thing has worked really well. I was actually very impressed how clear they were, but you definitely have to physically manipulate how close to the thing is that you're taking a photo. I don't want to get too close to these caterpillars, so that's why it was a little bit, like if it was a rock, who the hell cares if you accidentally bang it with this thing? But I didn't want to like bother the caterpillars. But in any case, definitely worked in terms of getting the shot. If you're looking for a cool little adapter for your cell phone, and again, it didn't affect the button at all, grab this thing. Speaking of grabbing things, there is a link in the description below, which actually helps out the channel a little bit, doesn't cost you anything extra, so it's a win-win for both of us. So I'm gonna say thank you to that in advance, because I know you're gonna use that. And remember to like and subscribe to the video. If you have any questions, you could also throw them up in the comments. I hope this has been helpful. We'll see you in the next video.